Hey everyone, it is Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures, and we are here in a different room in my house. My craft area is, let's just say, a little overwhelming right now to do unboxing videos. And so I cleared off my table on my main floor, and we're going to dive in to see. I received this package a couple days ago. It is from Spell Queen. Now, Spell Queen is a China company that has, yes, some unlicensed work. You do have to look on it and make sure what you're getting. So I'm not advertising to go there and pick out licensed work. I really think the artists need to know. But I did find some things that I did not see when I searched for copyright and licensing, and I wanted to show you what I got. This is also the company I got my mermaid pigs from. I'm going to put a photo right here, over here in this area for you to see. And so cute. They don't have that one anymore. But I did select other fun, quirky things that I thought we could work on together and spice up a little bit. I know my friend Crafts with Crashly has always wanted to do a crazy collab, and I needed to find something that might fit that bill, that fit my taste, but also the crazy bill. Okay, so I received 2 diamond paintings. And here is the kit for the first one. I love it's got this little, I would use these for probably special drills on the road, things like that. It does come with a single placer right here, a squishy, a white tray, and I love this little flower or star wax container. And then it also came with a bigger version. So it's the same items, except, just pull this out here. Oops, the wax is getting in the way. I have a bigger tray. So you have a bigger clear tray. They have their Spell Queen on here. You also have this. These are kind of cool for special thrills. Excuse me. It's what being a mom of a newborn right now. And then now Spell Queen is the next company. They have pink tweezers, and they are they're thin blunt. So I haven't seen the thin blunt before. I've seen the thicker. That's not sharp. I mean, it's sharp if you would jab it into yourself, but please don't jab it into yourself. That's, why we diamond paint is to relieve our anxieties, so we don't stab random things into ourselves. All right, so the first one, I saw this. Oh my gosh. Okay, I noticed right off the bat that it is poured glue. How do I know this? Because it's clear. The only company I know that has clear, that's not poured glue, is Treasure Studios Art. They now have poured glue and mounting tape, but this is poured glue. I'm also noticing right before I open it that they have upgraded to their edges being serged so that if it does fray, it's going to stop right at those dots for you. I'm anxious to see, because this is an upgrade from when I got the mermaid pigs as far as their canvas. Oh dear. Okay. I myself got the tape stuck to the plastic. Let me just figure this out. This is my fault. The little tape that seals it, I opened it too fast and it got stuck to the plastic. Let me fix this real quick so I don't hurt my canvas. Because there we go. It's not perfect, but there we go. Okay, so this is new to me. It does have kind of the, what would you call it, flannel feel to the back. Okay, I'm gonna unroll this. Are you guys ready? Oh, look at that. Isn't that funny? It is Pears. Oh my gosh. I saw this and I was like, this is just like the concept of my mermaid pigs. And I just thought it was a lot of fun. It does have the key over here on your upper right side and a little thumbnail. It has a key over here. As you can see when I showed you earlier, the symbols are very clear. This is round, and I like that it doesn't have the dummy circles. Dummy circles or training circles would be a circle around. Oh wait, it does have them, but they're super light. I don't want to lie to you. So here we go. I'm going to show you up close and personal. If you look in that green right there, it's very faint. You can see it in the white too, but it's a lot less obvious than some of the other diamond painting companies. I did get round, and look at these beautiful colors. Now green is my favorite color. I think that's another reason I decided to go with this photo. Forgive my dog in the background, and my little man is about ready to scream because he notices his mom is not there. So these are brilliant colors, up close and personal. Right here, there's no trash that I see, super sparkly. They are labeled with the Spell Queen right on there. And they are 18, 19. So they are in order. And then you'd have to match up the number with the number on the key so that you would get the DMC number. Now, what I see here is that there is no separate key. That's what I would recommend for them. I think they've really done a great job upgrading their factory and how they produce their diamond paintings, but it would be nice so that we could have stickers on, even to put stickers on the bag. So if you didn't want to do a different type of kitting up and you just wanted to work straight out of the bag, then it would be nice to have that separate. All right, so here we go. Let me open this in a little easier manner. Now this I thought was super cute. I didn't get a chance to do the Halloween version. I do want to pull that out and probably do that this month. And then this would be like my winter Christmas version of Starry Night. Again, you've got the surge. You've got the key right here. Look at those symbols. They're pretty standard. Right here, up close and personal, you can see the circles again, but they're very light. Okay, you guys ready to see the picture? Oh, this one, I forgot to say, my pear is a 40 by 60. I love anything that's, 40 by 50, 40 by 60. This one is a 30 by 40 with 25 colors. The other one had 36 colors. Isn't this adorable? This little penguin. And he's wearing headphones, and he's got little musical notes. I thought this was so adorable to do maybe in December and January, just as a little side project. This one has 1, 2, 3. Whoa. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 ABs. They do have an option on Spell Queen that you can do round, square, ABs, and I think crystal, depending on which canvas it is. Again, here's the package with all the beautiful colors. Super excited to do this one as well. Little man, you are fine. Don't worry. He's safe. He's in his little bouncer, and he's just mad he can't reach his toys that are floating above the bouncer. So here are the ABs. How fun are these? And again, they are numbered up to 25 on the bag. Then you have to match them up if you're kitting up to the DAC numbers. But I think this is adorable. It's a cute little penguin. Absolutely fantastic. Yes. So I would go check out Spell Queen. The link is down below for you. However, do be careful. If you are into making sure artists get their dues, please check out and make sure that it's not an artist out there. Let me see here. There's something on the bottom. Okay, so the bottom is just telling me it's got free insurance if diamonds is spilled or accidents happened. You're eligible for free replacements. They want to know if you have any problems. They give you a 5-star in satisfaction. They do give you a special for 5% off your next order. And then they have all their customer service information on the bottom. All right, so I'm going to go attend to my little man, but I hope you enjoyed this quick unboxing. Check out Spell Queen down below, and I can't wait to see you soon. Until next time, be blessed. Take care. Bye-bye.